Morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Early one today, 7:15 on a Saturday morning. I'm headed over to the Beard's house to pick him up. We are headed to the range, club championship prac pistol today. We'll see if we can make some holes in paper, make some steel targets go ping, hopefully not get DQ'd, and have some fun. We'll shoot some more at the range. We're here.
Morning.
A lot of stages today, a lot of bullets,
Nice.
a lot of people, but nice day, not too hot, 23, not sunny.
A bit overcast today.
Yeah, should be a fun day.
Far more people here than we're used to being, and the stages are far more complex. Look, and this one looks relatively normal to what we're used to seeing.
Except the numbers.
Except the numbers. But the other on stages, ranges 4 and 5.
Yes.
They look, we've got 2 stages on each range, but look at it, they look a lot more complex than we're used to doing.
Yeah.
So expecting procedurals.
There'll be a lot of
disqualifications.
A lot of thinking today.
Yeah.
Slow right.
So, we're on our way back from the championship. It is now, what time we got?
It's getting later.
It's getting late. It's 20 to 2 in the afternoon. You could have gone straight. It's 20 to 2 in the afternoon. We started at about, we got there before 8.
Well, we left at 7:15.
Yeah, so we got there just before 8 o'clock.
I was up at 4.
And we started shooting at about 8:30.
Yeah, ish.
So we had 6 stages.
The first one was fun.
They started us off and it was 50 metres. With a pistol, 50 metres.
Without a red dot.
Without a red dot. So our expectations were lowered. Immediately we saw that one stage. And it wasn't a particularly complex stage. We had 4 paper targets and 1 gong.
Yeah.
From 50 metres.
Yeah.
And then it turns out you have to walk forward 25 metres and do the same thing. 4 paper targets, 2 shots each, plus the gong.
How many times do you have to hit the gong?
Just the once. But
that's
for some
that's
reason,
what I did.
That's what he did. For some reason, I had a mental block, and I did my 4 paper targets, hit the gong, started walking forward, and then thought, no, you've got to hit it twice, which is wrong. So I came back and nearly went past the range officer, which wouldn't have been a good thing. So shot it again, and then walked forward 25 metres, engaged all 4 paper targets twice, and the gong again.
Twice.
I think I just like the noise it makes.
Well,
it's a good noise.
But we are being scored on this stuff.
We are being, so there's no penalty for too many shots on the metal targets, fortunately.
Just time.
Time penalty, yeah. But having been one of only 3 people to score on that stage, I'm actually okay with that.
I crushed that stage.
So we had 10 people in the squad.
Yeah.
And so what did you score on that stage?
0.
You scored 0. 6 other people scored 0 as well. One guy got 1. So if you think, we're talking hit factor here.
Yes.
So if you think about hit factor as points per second, one guy got 1.
Yeah.
And I got 0.149, I think.
Something like that.
And then someone else scored 0.04 something. So only 3 of us scored on that stage. So our expectations were lowered. But the reality is, when we moved on to the next stage, it was a little bit easier because everything was a little bit closer.
A lot closer.
But what we did discover was everything is a lot more complex for championship. The stage setup and the restrictions on them was a lot more intense, I would say.
More technical, more thinking required.
Technical is a good word. More thinking required. So a lot of them we'd started with no magazines on the gun, no magazines on the belt. You had to put the magazines on the barrels. So that was a couple of stages we did that. There was one where you had to pick a card out of a bowl, and then depending on the colour of the card you got, that was your last target. So it was a steel challenge. So you had to do 4 targets and then your colour at the end, but you had to do it twice. And a lot of people were just not getting it and doing it once and then stopping.
Yeah.
And then they get loads of penalties.
Yeah.
What else did we do? There was the Texas Star was back. Lee's favourite Texas Star.
I shot it all today.
Yeah, so did I.
Well, it was a lot closer. It was reasonable. It was 10
It
meters.
was a sensible distance today,
Yes.
as opposed to 20 metres last time, or 25 metres, whatever it was last time. So Texas Star was fun. There was a rack of plates. There was some square targets and some big round targets that I think I did quite quickly. Oh yeah, we had moving targets as well.
For the first time.
So there was a couple where you hit a popper, which then knocks a stick, which pulls a string, and you end up with a target that goes up and down and up and down. And I had no idea if I'd hit it at all.
Me neither.
So I'd sent an extra round just to be on the safe side. I did get one no-shoot. So the no-shoots are when you hit the black part of the target, which is a no-shoot.
But you made up that shot.
I didn't, so I realised I hit the no-shoot, and so I aimed up a little bit, sent another bullet, and that got me probably an alpha.
Well, yeah, but it took away 10 points for the miss.
10 points, so it
balances out.
balanced out, as opposed to having a no-shoot, which is minus 10,
miss.
plus no score, and a miss.
Yeah.
I ended up with the no-shoot, which
an
took
alpha.
away the 10 that I got from the alpha, so it balanced out. I got nothing scored above or below.
Well, no, you
that.
got minus 5.
Was it minus 5 for
Because an alpha's 5 and a no-shoot's minus 10.
Okay, so minus 5.
But way better than minus 25.
Yes. What else happened? I had a beer.
Yeah.
So someone at the end, once we'd finished shooting,
Yeah, not drinking.
someone's like, "Who wants a beer?" And I've got cider and yeah, I'll have an extra cold beer from the fridge because he's driving. I'm not driving today, so.
And beer.
And beer, why not? And it was quite nice to sit round the table at the end, out with the range, having a nice cold beer, some crisps, and one of the guys went through the scores.
So at the beginning of the day, Aaron introduced a special guest.
Yes.
He is a recent state champion. So I almost packed up and went home because I was like, what's the point of this?
And he awarded him his medal as well.
Yeah, for a state championship,
Yeah.
which is pretty impressive.
So we all give him a round of applause. And we'd never met the guy before. I
No.
think he's not a member of our club. I think he used to be a member.
Yeah. But just, he knows a bunch of guys, so he thought, come down and shoot some club championships.
So he was there.
So we thought we had no shot. No shot.
Funny guy.
But we did. I finished 4th out of in division. I don't know how many, 7 or 8, 9. We don't know how many total there was.
I'd have been chuffed to bits before.
Yes. Now, before we tell you where Gareth finished, comment below. I'll give you 4 choices. Did Gareth finish last, 5th, 2nd, or 1st? Comment below.
Bear in mind, before you comment, there was a state champion in the same division as us.
Hey, he could have DQ'd himself.
He could have. He didn't. I'll tell you that now. So, have a comment. How did I do?
Wrong.
They might be right.
They might be.
I got 2nd.
2nd.
Very, very happy. I'd have been happy with 4th.
Only beaten by the world champ.
State champ.
World champ.
The universe champion in our division.
Well, let's not get carried away. So no, overall it was a great day.
Yeah, we're totally knackered.
Oh yeah, I'm not even going to be able to get out of the car. I'm just going to sleep in the car tonight.
I'm going to go home, shower, nap roulette for me. I'm going to have chocolate and then I'm going to have nap roulette.
Yes. Oh, and you can watch quality too.
That will definitely knock me out. But yeah, I will watch quality. So we like Formula 1. Circuit of the Americas this weekend. Sprint race?
Yep.
So sprint race. I'll be watching that. I'll be watching the quali when I get home. Between naps.
Oh, it's multiple nap day.
Yeah, I've got that. That's all recorded. What else do we need to tell them? So we'll be posting more videos. We've got some other stuff. We've got another Audi video coming.
Audi video coming.
You've got some Kia stuff. We've got a track day coming up in the Kia as well.
I've got a track day coming.
Unfortunately, I have to work. What else?
Maybe you'll be sick.
Do the thing. Like, comment, subscribe,
Yes.
bell, all that stuff.
It apparently helps. We've been watching videos, and if you guys like, comment, subscribe, so I'm trying to determine when we're going to die here. It helps the algorithm thing, so everybody do the thing. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, notifications, watch the videos over and over
Do you know
again.
what else they could do? Share it with your friends. Anybody that you think might be interested in gun stuff, car stuff, bike stuff. We have bike videos coming.
Cat stuff.
Yes, Paul, hello. I've asked him, I've told him he's going to put some cat stuff in for you.
Maybe some memes.
Maybe some memes.
I'll see what I can do.
Thanks for watching, guys.